Get acquainted with the 2024 Toyota Corolla Cross. This boldly stylish Corolla Cross offers the efficiency and convenience you need, as well as the comfort and amenities you want. From its practical design and sought-after advanced safety features to its smooth ride, roomy cabin, and connected tech, this sensible daily driver makes your busy lifestyle feel easy peasy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, premium sound system, aluminum wheels, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, alarm. Creature comforts blend with smart practicality in this no-nonsense Corolla Cross. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.